Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial will be showing you how to record a transfer between accounts in YNAB, right? So first up, log into your account. Now in here we have these accounts or even wallets, okay? So what you'll do is just go out and select the sending account first. Okay, for example, I have here my wallet. Now I have here access 710, okay? Or $710. I wanted to move it into my savings account, just for example. So I'm just going to click on the, again, sending account. Now let's go ahead and add in a transaction, okay? Right here, maybe today. The payee, make sure that you select under payments and transfer your other account, okay? Click on it. Now under outflow, you could go ahead and enter a memo right here, for example, moved access to savings from wallet, okay? Now in the outflow section, just give it a positive number. For example, again, 710. 710, like so. And once that's done, just hit on, enter on your keyboard, or just click on save right here. Wait for it, as you can see here. My wallet now says 4,000 and my savings now says 10,710. And here we have the record. Okay, category right here is not needed. YNAB right here immediately creates a matching inflow in the receiving account. Okay, as you can see here, and you don't need to categorize the transfer itself because the money is just moving between your own budgeted accounts, not being spent. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.